everyone, warmly welcome to the Sakmo English Club channel, a wonderful place for improving your knowledge through English. I'm Ngọc. Today, we will discover some interesting facts about the moon. The moon, the endless inspiration of people in every field over the centuries, and is the most bright object in the night sky. The moon is the only satellite of the Earth and is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. Today, let's travel to the moon to explore what interesting things the moon has with Sakmo English Club channel. Is the moon round like we often think? The moon has a round and plump shape that we usually compare to a full moon like a ball when viewed with the naked eye. But there's a truth that it's not like we see. According to NASA Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter Web, the moon has a spherical shape. The moon shape derived from its rotational movement in which large parts of the egg shape head to the Earth. As a result, when we look at the moon, we see its large head facing us, and a portion of it is illuminated by the sun, causing us to see the moon as a circle. The moon's appearance depends on its position for the sun, leading to the different stages of the moon that people living on the Earth are visible. Therefore, we can say that it looks like this, but it's not so. Is the tide on oceans related to the moon? Is it possible that a rise in the waters up or down is caused by Thủy Tinh who wants to beat something? No, it is a fact that the tide on Earth results from the moon's effect. Our hydrosphere is an oblate spheroid, but two opposite dirichlet are pulled higher, forming an ellipsoid. A vertex of ellipsoid directly with the moon is called the first largest water domain created by gravity. The second largest water domain is opposite the first largest ones through the Earth's center, created by the centrifugal force. Between two consecutive large countries will be net water. Besides, all this strong pulling also creates another fascinating effect. It is a part of the sun's energy stolen by the moon. This is a reason leading to our planet being slow, about 1.5 thousand seconds per century. Is the moon just called the moon? The truth is that the moon has a lot of different names. Its name comes from ancient tribes who based on full moon trends to monitor their crops and harvest. The diverse cultures create each name of the full moon period worldwide. Almost all the moon trends have more names than that. Some are widely used. Let us quibble over some distinctive names of the full moon trends. January, wolf moon or old moon. February, snow moon or hunger moon. March, moon worm, sap moon or pearl moon. April, pink moon, crash moon, egg moon or fish moon. May, flower moon, the corn planting moon or milk moon. June, strawberry moon, the honey moon, rose moon or hay moon. July, buck moon, thunder moon, hay moon. August, sturgeon moon, green corn moon, red moon, grand moon. September, harvest moon, barley moon. October, hunter's moon. November, the beaver moon. December, cold moon. Have you ever known about these names? If you already know or are interested in them, please comment below for Sakmo English Club channel known. When we are reminded of the night sky, one of the first things in our thoughts is the moonshine. The moon always takes a unique role in human imagination and is an interesting topic that deserves to explore. What do you know about the moon? What is the mystery of the moon? It has many other wonderful things waiting for us to explore. So if you are an astronomy lover, do not hesitate to find out now.